Hello everyone, I welcome you all again to another interesting and fascinating video tutorial where you are going to see how you are going to decorate your plate with lovely fruits and veggies. So here we have cut the triangular shape of dragon fruit and then put the kiwis around in circular form, and then your plate is jam gonna ready by putting cherries in between. Now cut the cherries halves and then put it around like this so as to make it look even more beautiful. Now take a cucumber, slice it in this way, small slices, and then let's see how are we going to put it. Just fold the crabs like this and then make it look like in the form of a beautiful shape like pattern in this way, and you're going to get a beautiful lovely result. Now take an orange, cut it into the form of a circle, and then we are going to see put it into the form of triangle one over the other till you get a beautiful circular shape. And what are we going to put in a banana? Take the banana, slice it circular, and then put it below the oranges and in this form of circular ring, and you are going to get a beautiful lovely result. Now let's see what are we going to make now. Take the fruit and then cut it like this, slice it in between, and you will get a beautiful lovely result. Put it around the corner below the bananas and see how beautiful is it looking, and don't forget to put the cherry in between. Now just to make it look even more interesting, cut the cucumber in this way and put it all over the plates, and this is going to look super beautiful. Now take a kiwi, half slice it, and then put it on the plate in the form of circle, one over the other. You have to cut it in the form of a semicircle. And let's see what are we going to get now. How are we going to take the dragon fruit, slice it circular, and then put it in this way on either side of the plate, and your plate will look damn amazing. Now take the cucumber, slice it like this, and in between, put it in between of the sides, and you're going to get a lovely pattern. Slice the cucumber in this way by using a sharp blade knife, and what are we going to put in the middle? Take the orange and we are going to put something in the middle so as to make it look even more amazing. Yeah, damn looking amazing, isn't it? Now let's see what are we going to do. Cut the dragon fruit, slice it in this way and put it like this on either side, and don't forget to put the cherries in between. Now slice the cucumber again into the form of a beautiful lovely thin antenna, and this is going to form a beautiful lovely pattern. Yeah, this is looking damn amazing. Now take the beetroot and cut it like this, and you will get a beautiful plum like this. Again, it is looking damn amazing. Now, proceeding further, cut the cucumber in the form of a circle and arrange it in this pattern, of a flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers are there, and you have to put some fruits in between. And then how are we going to decorate it further? Let's see and recognize. Here we have joined it using the thin ring of cucumber, and again slice it like this, and let's see how are we going to put it in the middle. Put the slices and arrange it in this manner so as to make it look a flowery ring. Isn't it looking damn amazing?